Okay, we're going to use nouns working as adjectives. So you're learning all about adjectives. There's so many in English writing. So here they gave you an example of my Tuesday class. Okay, so, well, it's not a complete sentence, but that's the beginning. My Tuesday class is at 9 a.m. Now it's a complete sentence. We know that this is a possessive adjective, my. This is a noun, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the key is to look for the verb. So here's the verb. More than likely, 99% of the time, before the verb, we're going to have the noun. This is our subject. Remember, we have subject, verb, object. This before the subject is your adjectives. It tells you what kind of class. So this is my noun. This is my noun. We're not going to have two nouns. So this one is an adjective. So that's a noun that works as an adjective. And this one is a possessive adjective. We can write this another way. You could say, same thing, you would say the, let me see how they wrote theirs. Yes. The class on Tuesday is at 9 a.m. All right. So it's getting a little bit more, not challenging, just learning something new. So we have the verb. Here's our verb. The class on Tuesday is at 9 a.m. So we practiced a little bit here and there, even in your grammar classes, what a preposition is, right? So here's my preposition, and then here's another preposition, right? At. So this preposition is going with this group of words. So this will be my noun. So the article, so many words to learn. The class, this is my noun. The reason why we know this is the noun, when it comes to prepositions, this group can go away and it will still be a sentence. So if I erase this, the class is at 9 a.m. Now, if I put it back, here we go, on Tuesday. If I erase the beginning, on Tuesday is at 9 a.m. On Tuesday is at 9 a.m. It is not a sentence. So when it comes to preposition, it's usually the words after that that are part of the group. It's like a puzzle piece that you can remove. So my sentence would say, the class. This puzzle piece, this part of the sentence can be removed and it will still be a sentence. If you remove this, it's not a sentence. On Tuesday is at 9 a.m. The class on Tuesday is at 9 a.m. So this right here with the preposition, this is the adjective. Class is noun. All right. I know we're going to have to practice some, right? They gave some other examples, and the other examples still show a preposition. So they said, you can say something like, I have a math test. Okay, so I have a math test. It's all about the test. Here's my subject. Here's my verb. This is the object. It tells me I have one. What kind of test? It's a math test. So you could remove this adjective and say, I have a test. You still need to tell us it has one, so you always have to use an article, right? So we have math. Now, they rewrote it, and we're going to look at their example. We'll use the same one. I have a test about math. Okay, so we know that the subject is I. This is the verb. This right here is the object. This is part of the object because it's the adjective, right? Because this is a preposition about, in, on, under, around, about, right? So this piece, preposition with the adjective. Okay, this noun is now an adjective. It's about the test. So you could remove this piece of the puzzle and say, I have a test. If I remove this piece, I have about math. See, I have about math. It is not a sentence. So look for the preposition a lot of times, and it will be next to the adjective. So this is my object, and it's also my noun. Subject, verb, object. This for me, really, this is the object. It's really all about this. This just explains what kind of test. It's a math test. This is the object. What kind of test? It's going to be about math. Okay, so these are simple sentences. Subject, verb, object. They're adding adjectives to help you understand what kind of test. They're explaining more about the test. They're trying to give you a great idea. So I'm going to try to write you a long sentence so that way you can improve your English, right? Every sentence is simple. Subject, verb, object. But if you add in adjectives and prepositions, your sentences become very long sentences. And your professor, your instructor, will be happy. So we're going to just start with the simple, I have a test. And now we'll grow, right? So let me show you example. I have, we always have to use article, a test. Okay, so now I'm going to help this grow again. You're going to say, I have a test on, oops. I'm going to try to change the color of my adjectives, right? Here we go. It's going to start to grow. I have a test on Monday. Okay, so this is my first adjective, and this one's a noun, right? Here we go. I have a test. I have a test on Monday. So we could say, I have a test on, oops, I need to make my adjectives different colors. On Monday at 9 a.m. So This is going to be an adjective, a noun adjective. 9 a.m. Yep, it's an adjective because we have at, on. So this is one group puzzle, and any one of these pieces of the puzzle can be removed. Ready for some descriptive adjectives? Here we go to make your sentences longer. I have, I want to say, a math test. Oops. I have a math test on Monday at 9 a.m. Okay, so we have one. This is the descriptive, right? But it's, well, this is actually not a descriptive. This is a noun. We have a noun, adjective, a noun, adjective, and a noun. I have a math test on Monday at 9 a.m. I could keep going, but we might run out of room of writing. But this is how you make a small, simple sentence into a very large sentence.